Can you believe these brownies are made from black beans? Just like finding the right path to credit card debt relief, it's all about making the right swaps. Today, we're making black bean high protein brownies to show you how to handle the heavy stuff and still come out with something sweet. I'm May. I spent 13 years in corporate before achieving financial freedom. I've partnered with Freedom Debt Relief to help break down debt relief options through baking. Let's get started. Imagine these 10 different ingredients as different loans. Each one is unique and has a different interest rate, amount, and maturity date. It's overwhelming to track. But when you consolidate debt, all of these ingredients get blended together into a smooth mixture. We're turning 10 stressful payments into one manageable loan. It's like the blender does all the hard work, so you don't have to. But look, the batter is clumpy. That's where Debt Management Services comes in. Think of this sieve as your credit counselor. The sieve catches the lumps, the high interest rates and predatory fees, leaving you with a smooth payoff to your creditors. Uh-oh, this pan is too small for the whole debt or the batter. Creditors might agree to take 50% rather than nothing at all to settle the debt. This is called debt settlement. Still some batter left. No matter what path you take, you end up happier with a clear plan to credit card debt relief, or in this case, an indulgent high-protein brownie. Comment below on what you want me to make next. Seriously, they taste like a cheap meal, but they're a total win.